Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today, I thought let's discuss about the prospecting. Being a consultant and coach, actually, I have realized that most of the MSME owners, basically the startup owners or people who are running small businesses, actually, they are not basically aware about the right client and right prospects. So what happened? And I'm talking about B2B. So prospecting is much more important. First thing is that what is the devastating thing I have found actually in MSME or a startup world that they are carrying uh, multiple products and services. They keep adding. What happened? There's no growth if we are doing such activities or we are running our business with this mindset. Because let's understand with the example. Have you visited Kirana store? They have multiple brands, hundreds of brands they sell, but it's very much difficult for them to grow or scale. At the same time, if you talk about the wholesaler, so he has few brands, right? And he earns more than the retailers or kirana store, right? Similarly, if you go to the manufacturing site or companies who carry their own brand, so they have they only work for one single brand. So in that case, brand or material. So basically, they earn more than the basically wholesaler or stockist. So what is the learning from this example? I mean, whatever you are doing, you must be specialized for this thing. So one thing is that specific is terrific. We must understand this thing. So rather being or remain specific, we keep adding more portfolios, more products in our portfolio, and we keep expanding our portfolio. In that case, what happens? We get confused and our team get confused because you cannot be expert of all, correct? And likewise, it's very much difficult to scale your business, and it's very much to find out the right prospect, because finding a right prospect or gaining revenue, it's much more difficult in that case. What happen when you want to grow the revenue? It means that you need more clients, right? So you need more clients. How you can get more clients if you are carrying multiple products in your portfolio and you don't have, being a startup MSMEs, you don't have that much big team. In that case, your small team will get confused and how they can find a right prospect for a particular product or all products. So my advice or suggestion is, please reduce your portfolio, rather expanding a product, multiple product in your portfolio. Please expand the reach or develop a specialty uh, on basically on a particular product or services where you really you have a strength on that. And then after, get educated and be disciplined and control yourself, educate your team. In this way, you can get more clients and you can get more revenue, and moreover, you can also get a recognition in that particular field. So when we are thinking in this way, so in my terminology, basically what I teach, and I have developed my own framework. So I have named it from, that is shift from operator mindset to CEO mindset. Even though you are running a small business, so you can shift yourself from operator mindset to CEO mindset, and in this way you can grow yourself. Now the question is coming, because we are talking here on a different topic today, on a prospecting, which is prospecting. Prospecting means know your prospect, right? So KYP, so you must have heard KYC, know your customer. So know your customer helps you to retain your clients, right? And know your prospect means KYP, is that helps to acquire more customer, right? Because when you are knowing your right prospect, so you can develop a solution, or you can find out the best practices to understand the psychology of your prospect. Because there is a scale, for example, from 1 to 100, right? Your prospectors are lying between 1 to 50, for example. So you should, how you do or do prospecting, what is the basic fundamental? So you have to divide 1 to 50 also in 2 or 3 parts, and you have to label those prospect slabs, that who is your best fit. So basically best fit, or you can see, you can term it a rare fit or something kind of that, right? So or those are lower side in your scale. So you need to develop this scale, and you have to draft something on that, and you need to train your team, correct? Then only you can get more clients with lesser efforts. So basically what happened, when you are doing these things, one more advantage you can get, that you don't need to find the new solution every day to get more clients, because your prospects scale is fixed, and your understanding about the prospects behavior, psychology, place, everything is fixed, because that is a one time exercise only. So how many days you are spending does not matter that much, but the same time, if you are able to set this thing right, so that will help your business to multiply your revenue also. So this is a small shift in your approach, and you can get even more results. So I think this has to be done before thinking or before scaling a business. Even though you have not thought to scale your business, for example, you are on survival mode, okay? So also I will request you, pause yourself, think about this, do this exercise, and then start working. So it doesn't take that much time. It may take 1 day, 2 day, 3 days hardly, right? Or max 1 week to fix these all things. And if you're not able to fix this, please take help from your advisor, coach, your senior people, colleagues, whoever you have in your the circle, close circle. So please do this. Still, if you don't find anyone, so please, most welcome, you can connect with us, with me or my team, so we can help you out, right? Now let me show you how Borg Desk Workplace has done its job, right? So if I'll show you a sample thing, so I think that will also help you to draw this prospecting things for your business also. Okay, so let me share my screen. Yeah. So this is a prospecting document. So you can build in this way, or you can even build more beautifully from than this. So this is a Borg Desk Workplace, right? So ideal clientele profile, strategic fit, and implementation, right? So I have developed this document for my team, okay, and from our understanding, because if we think in our mind only and we do not draft, so what will happen? We become a situational, we become emotional, right? And we take decisions based on the emotion or situation. So we have to lock this, correct? So to log this, we need a document, because whenever we are getting influenced by any factor, whether internal, external, financial, whatever it is in the business, because in MSMEs there are daily challenges, I know. So to avoid that thing, I always recommend to draft a document in a proper way, and you are supposed to recommend whenever you want to see back on that particular theory or concept or document, so you refer that document, or you need to share with the team. You have to train your team to think as per this document, right? So this is an index space, and that is Borg Desk Workplace. So we can tell our team about the little solutions, how we are providing. So Borg Desk Workplace, we are providing two forms. One is a standard edition, second one is enterprise edition, right? Now, ideal client profile, standard edition for the standard edition, for the enterprise edition, right? For both the things. And then where Bogdes fits best. So basically, we have divided in two parts. One is strategic fit, and second one is lesser fit. And when we talk about the implementation and adoption model, then again we have defined how that is work: standard or addition, standard edition or enterprise edition. Then ideal clientele profile in details. So this is a basically index, and this is how we have placed these things in the rest of the document. So I will cover in detail also, correct? So for example, as per the index, we have defined first Bogdes Workplace and Standard Edition as well as the Enterprise Edition. So you can go through this one. Bogdes Workplace, cloud-based software. Bogdes Workplace, a business operating system designed for service and supply organizations to run their business on a single operational layer, correct? So these are basically something we have told our team, we have mentioned for our team to have a fundamental understanding all about our product and services, right? So in simple terms, then how it's different from others. So we also have guided our team with this document, that how we are different from basically other brands available in the market, correct? And then who it's built for. So we have mentioned clearly, as per the index, standard edition for businesses with the 100 to 100, so 10 to 100 plus employee team, and enterprise edition 100 plus employee team size, right? Owner-led or CXO-driven service, supply chain, and manufacturing organization. So we have told and educate our team clearly that this solution is basically as per the team size. This is the first point. And what is the, if we set the operation or hierarchy, so owner-led organization, correct? Or CXO-driven organizations we need, and that has to be service or supply chain or manufacturing organizations, right? Or second one is companies struggling with execution gaps, visibility, and scale readiness. So basically, we have guided our team, we have educated our team, and we have a clear roadmap for this. So if these three conditions are matching, so basically not only a single, all three condition has to be matched with the organization, then Bogdes workplace works very very well, and it can help to automate your end-to-end entire workflow of your business, correct? Similarly, let's understand more things. So what is the impact on a business operation if a Bogdes workplace is being used? What will be the impact? So that will we the Bogdes workplace impact on these organizations, basically, right? Whatever we have defined here, the definition of this one. So end-to-end business automation, complete CRM plus ERP plus MIS, and 90% team accountability, data-driven decisions with the help of MIS, 2x to 10x lead conversion, and the product has shown in many places with the many customers. Improve cash flow prediction, employee performance, traffic light. So these are a positive impact once Borg Desk workplace is implemented on above organization which are fit with this condition, so they will be getting this much, correct? And what would be the impact on business owners, CEO, CXOs? That is the impact on business operation, right? And what the impact on business owners, CEO, or CXOs? So it's all about the business owners. CXOs can save the 80% time or 3 to 4 hours daily from day-to-day business operation. That's a big achievement. Basically, Bogda's workplace is claiming 80% control on business, even on remote, less firefighting and more strategy. System that is scale with the business. Okay, real-time MIS reports, better customer experience. So these are basically for the positive impact on business owner or CXOs. Basically, what happened in MSMEs? These factors are so much ignored, and why it is ignored? Because business owner has in his mind that these are factors he needs to take care of, but at the same time, due to over excessive engagement with the daily day-to-day operation, actually the founder, it's difficult for founders to focus on these things. So that's why Borg Desk Workplace does first point, first impact, then automatically these points starts happening. All right. Now, this is a detailed one for whatever it is a last point in the index on the ideal client profile in details, right? So, enterprise edition. So basically, step scalable execution and governance, right? Bogda's workplace enterprise edition is designed for complex multi-team or multi-location organization that require custom flows, governance, and leadership level visibility. Correct. So customized business operating system. So as we called Bogda's workplace is basically customized business operating system also. So for the standard company, and the companies which are fulfilling those conditions, which what we discussed above, three conditions. So those are not required much. Customization if they are less than they have a less than 100 team, correct, or they are gradually growing. If the company is growing very fast and expanding or getting scaled, so in that case there will be a huge customization requirements there. In that case, the Bogda's enterprise edition is required to get implemented, right? So here we talk about the enterprise edition. So let me find out first standard edition, right? So standard edition, that is for execution foundation, correct? So Bogda's workplace standard edition is built for growing service and the supply chain businesses that need quick structure, visibility, and accountability without heavy customization, right? Are ready to deploy a business operating system that is standardized core business process and brings the entire team into a single execution framework. So that is basically a very important thing to understand. Now, as we are discussing prospecting, so you can see here the best suited for teams for 10 to 100 users. Businesses transition from spreadsheets, WhatsApp, and disconnected tools. Some people, some businesses, or some business owners or people are practicing small tools for their own business. So actually, that is not basically best fit for if we talk about the entire workflow management, right? They can manage the partial process or operation of your business, but not end to end. So you cannot grow unless you are having an end to end application for your businesses, right? Owners seeking control and clarity with fast ROI. So these are three parameters for the standard addition, correct? And what are the key characteristics? Pre-configured workflows across sales, operation, billing, support, and task. Role-based dashboard and performance tracking. Guided implementation with minimal disruption. Faster adoption and predictable outcomes. So these are basically characteristics of standard addition if business owners are going for, correct? And these are characteristics for those to understand which are best suited, correct? Similarly, we talk about the enterprise edition. So that has to be for the scalable execution and governance, right? It produces this one. So Borg Desk Workplace Enterprise Edition is designed for complex, multi-team or multi-location organizations that require custom workflows, governance, and leadership level visibility. Our definition is a customized business operating system that institutionalizes execution, embeds accountability, and supports scalable growth without leadership dependency. That's a big thing to achieve, basically. And we have clearly defined who are our right prospect and how we are solving their problem, what are the pain points we are solving, and what they get out of Bogda's workplace was it is implemented successfully. Best suited for teams for 100 plus users, multi department or multi location operations, organizations undergoing scale, restructuring, or professionalization. So these are best suited conditions and key characteristics: deep process diagnostics and custom workflow design, advanced approval hierarchies and MIS architecture, leadership dashboard, scoreboards, and review cadence integrations, phased rollout with structured change management. So this is basically characteristics of the enterprise edition, right? Similarly, this is a detailed idea profile. So you can see here, this is very important to understand. Basically, that's why we are working on this. Borders Workplace designed for owner-led and CXO-driven organizations. So, what are the organization? B2B services like IT and technology services, digital marketing and creative agencies, field service companies, project based and contractual services, and supply chain and manufacturing businesses like footwear, industrial equipment, industrial spares, electrical and lighting solutions, manufacturing support suppliers, project based businesses. So these are basically key ideal clients for us, right? And the typical client operates with 10 to 100 users where operational complexity has increased, visibility is fragmented, and leadership seeks system-led control rather than people-dependent execution. Correct. So these are points to be considered when we are suggesting. So we have educated our team, and the Bogda's workplace has already decided many, so years back or something, and that's why we are growing 2x, 3x, 4x, up to 10x also. A strategic fit. What are the strategic fit? Strong strategic fit when organization face execution gaps between leadership intent and ground level delivery, multiple disconnected tools, high founder or CXO dependency, fast growing companies having clarity of goal, strategic roadmap, and process control. So these are a company for a strategic fit for this one. We also have defined, because we need to differentiate what are the lesser fit companies. The requirement is limited to the basic CRM or isolated automation. Leadership is not ready to standardize processes or drive behavioral change. Very small teams, like less than 5 users, with low operational complexity. So actually, these are basically we are talking about the prospecting. Strategic fit means best fit, correct? And the lesser fit means those are not covering end-to-end workflow automation. So that's why it is called lesser fit, correct? Then again, we have also explained the implementation and adoption model. So this is not basically part of the prospecting, but still because that has to be developed actually just for understanding. That's why we have developed. We have also mentioned and educated our sales team. Correct. And we also have the typical implementation timeline 3 to 6 months. We already, because we believe to educate our client as much as possible. You can say this is again the more in detail than the previous one. You can say most fit services business. Again, we have divided now in the more detailed field. IT and technology service company like digital marketing company creatives like field service companies like and the project based contextual services like. So we have also mentioned the exact company vertical and the profile also, so that our team can have a good knowledge on this. And the mid fit also we have covered in detail, and then similarly low fit also we have given. So similarly, for the supply chain also, these are B2B service and this is supply chain. So we have covered this one. So you can see we have clearly defined our prospects, where our prospects are lying and what they are doing. So that's why we say the prospecting is the first relation when you are starting the business. But unfortunately, we are very in the rush to start a business to earn the profit and to generate a business. But at the same time, you can see unplanned or a quick running cost more. So what is cost more? That is money as well as the time. So I'll suggest you to go ahead with the prospecting first, then only you start the business. Or we can say, whenever you come to know, if you're watching this video, this session, or if you'll find this one in the YouTube or somewhere, and then you are watching, so please start doing in this way, and definitely you will get benefited. And I'm sure you can multiply your revenue with the lesser efforts and with very clarity. Your team also will be helping you very much, and you will grow basically by default. So this thing, why I'm saying this, because I have created these results by implementing right prospecting in my businesses and also 100 plus more businesses, and it works. So please, the business owner who are already running from a few years back, so please take a pause and start thinking in this way, start doing prospecting. So and thereafter, once it's done, then work out a little bit, do some standard thing and eliminate the repetitive thing in the process, and definitely you will be getting more clients, and with the very hassle free manner, and you will be able to scale, you will be having clarity, and your team basically is very helpful, and they will also generate more business for you. So thank you so much for watching, and let's grow, let's implement, take a pause if you're getting stuck, and start thinking in a new way in the CEO mindset. Thank you so much and take care.